Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bradley, local and long distance movers near me. If you're looking to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our qualified movers make your long distance move simpler. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 1,500 miles away. With us, you receive all the best moving services to make relocating so much easier. As well as loading, transportation, and unloading, our team also offers a lot of other moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be simple to understand the cost of working with an Illinois moving company. However, following a close look at the key benefits of hiring a local moving company, you will likely see that it's well worth it. You will certainly save time with your local move if you work with a moving company. You will also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our expert movers offer efficiency with each and every single move. 3 Movers knows how to improve your move. Even though your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than a day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Bradley moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.